Pry open the display frame. Unscrew the fixing screw. Remove the air conditioner control panel. Remove the display. Unscrew the CD host fixing screw. Remove the CD host. Unplug the original car power cord. Transfer our power cord. The other end is connected to the CD host. Unscrew the display frame fixing screw. Open the display. Lift the ribbon cable clip upward. Remove the cable. Unscrew the main board fixing screw of the display screen. Line socket press down to take out the main board. Unscrew the second layer of main board fixing screws. Remove the main board. Unscrew our hardware frame screws. Open the hardware frame. Install the display main board. Fixing screw. Install the display main board. Check the back line hole. Fixing screw. Close the cover. Fixing screw. Take out all the buckles of the display plane frame of the original car. Install the original car display screen buckle on our display screen frame. Butt cable blue side up. Arrange neatly and press the buckle. Display screen docking card slot audio cable. Panel button line. Don't plug this end. The other end can be connected to the display screen. Power cord. GPS antenna. 4 grams antenna. GPS antenna and 4 grams antenna are placed on the side of the passenger. Cover the hardware circuit board. Fixing screw. Docking circuit board power cord. Plug back the corresponding color of the original car line. Organize the wire. Install the display. Let's take a look at the overall effect.